Subscribe now to Worth Old Coin Value, where every old coin tells a story of time, power, and hidden fortune. Today, we're uncovering a coin that most people walk past without a second glance. Yet it could hold a secret worth more than a lifetime of savings. The 1 Dirham coin from the United Arab Emirates, dated 1988 or 1408 in the Islamic calendar, is not just a piece of change. It's a silent witness to an era of transformation, ambition, and unexpected treasure that lets take a journey back to the late 1980s. The world was changing. The Gulf region was booming with oil wealth. Cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi were rising from the sand, and the UAE was stepping into modern history. Amidst that wave of progress, the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates issued a modest-looking silver-colored coin, the 1 Dirham. To many, it was just pocket money. To collectors today, it's a symbol of a nation's incredible rise. The 1 Dirham of 1988 carries the Islamic date 1408 on its face, marking not only a year in the Gregorian calendar, but a chapter in the Islamic world's own timeline. On one side, you'll find the traditional Arabic script proudly announcing United Arab Emirates. On the other, a symbolic coffee pot, known as the Dala, stands tall. That pot isn't there by accident. It represents hospitality, generosity, and the spirit of Arabian culture. Every Emirati household, every majlis has one, serving guests with hot Arabic coffee. The coin's design reminds us that even in modernization, tradition still pours strong. The metal itself may seem ordinary. It's made of a copper-nickel alloy, light to the touch, but durable enough to survive decades of circulation. But here's where it gets interesting. Coins like this were minted in limited batches, and certain variants or mint errors have turned these small pieces of metal into collectors' dreams. A single difference in minting, a misaligned die, an off-center strike, or a missing detail, can change a coin's destiny from ordinary to extraordinary. Now, imagine this. Somewhere in a drawer, an old wallet, or a forgotten box lies one of the rarest surviving 1988 UAE 1 Dirham coins ever minted. Fewer than a handful are known to exist with a unique double die error that gives the Arabic text a shadowed effect. For decades, it went unnoticed, passed from hand to hand in souks, through gas stations, and across shop counters. But one coin expert, studying coins under magnification, spotted the unusual text layering, and that discovery rewrote its value forever. Older generations remember using these coins daily. They jingled in pockets, bought tea, or paid for a taxi ride in dusty streets. To most, those coins are just metal. But to collectors and historians, they've become a time capsule, holding the image of a young nation stepping confidently into the future. This emotional connection adds something that money can't buy, a piece of living memory. The 1988 Dirham also stands out because it represents a bridge between the traditional designs of earlier UAE coins and the refined, standardized minting of the 1990s. This particular year is right in the middle of the change, the last of one era and the start of another. That's why collectors hunt for it with such passion. Finding one in uncirculated or mint condition is like discovering a diamond in the desert. Now, let's talk about value. Over the years, the international numismatic market has exploded, especially for Middle Eastern coins with strong cultural identity and limited availability. The 1988 1 Dirham is among the most sought-after of all UAE circulation coins, but only specific error types or mint condition pieces command extreme prices. When one of these ultra-rare 1988 pieces surfaced in a private auction, its authenticity verified, it stunned everyone. Bidding started modestly, but quickly spiraled into a global frenzy. Collectors from London, Dubai, and New York all fought for a chance to own it. When the hammer finally fell, the price had reached a staggering $2.2 million. Yes, you heard that right. A coin that once bought a cup of tea in 1988 could now buy a mansion. That's the power of history, rarity, and a collector's passion. This is not just about money. It's about meaning. Each scratch, each mark, tells a story of hands it passed through, the places it traveled, and the era it witnessed. So, if you're someone who grew up in the UAE, or perhaps visited in those early days, take a moment. Check your drawers, your old purses, your forgotten boxes. That little 1 dirham coin you once overlooked could be a treasure beyond imagination. Even if you don't find the $1,000,000 version, each old coin you hold connects you to a story. And sometimes, stories are worth more than gold. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Worth Old Coin Value. Here, every week, we uncover hidden treasures from around the world. Coins that whisper the past and shine with untold worth. Don't let history slip through your fingers. Your next fortune could already be in your pocket, and now you know the truth. The 1988 or 1408 United Arab Emirates 1 dirham. A small coin with a story that spans culture, time, and destiny, has reached an unbelievable market value of $2.2 million. This coin 1988 or 1408 United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin history. Imagine holding a small silver-colored coin in your hand, a coin so ordinary that millions of people walk past it every single day without giving it a second thought. But what if I told you that this coin 1 dirham from the United Arab Emirates dated 2014 to 1435 carries a story far older, far deeper, and far more powerful than most people realize? And today, you're going to hear that story in a way you've never heard it before. The 1 dirham coin may look modern, but its roots reach back into the rich history of Arabian trade, culture, and craftsmanship. The UAE itself may be young as a nation, but the region's monetary traditions stretch across centuries. From bustling ancient markets filled with pearls, spices, and gold, all the way to today's futuristic skyline of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, money has always played a central role in connecting people and shaping this land. The 2014 to 1435 1 dirham coin stands at the meeting point of 2 calendars, 2 worlds, and 2 eras. The Gregorian year 2014 reflects the modern global system we all use, while 1435 represents the Islamic Hijri calendar, a tradition kept alive for over 1,000 years. Just seeing these 2 dates on one coin reminds you that the UAE is a place where heritage and progress walk side by side. If you look closely at the front of the coin, you'll see the iconic Arabic coffee pot, known as the Dala. This symbol is more than decoration. It represents hospitality, generosity, and the age-old Arabian tradition of welcoming guests with coffee brewed slowly over the fire. For older generations, especially men who grew up in simpler times, the Dala is a memory, a symbol of brotherhood, trust, and respect. When you hold this coin, you're not just holding metal. You're holding the spirit of the Gulf. Now turn the coin over, and you see the bold Arabic script spelling out United Arab Emirates. The design is clean, strong, and confident, much like the nation itself. In 2014, the UAE was in a period of rapid growth, transforming into one of the most influential economic centers in the world. Each dirham circulating in the country was a piece of that transformation. Many people collect coins for fun, some for history, and some for the hope that one day, a forgotten little piece of metal could become a treasure. And as strange as it may sound, this 2014 to 1435 1 dirham has recently gained attention among collectors because of increasing interest in modern Middle Eastern coinage. Some editions, depending on rarity, strike, condition, and market demand, become extremely valuable in the hands of the right buyer. But the real power of this coin doesn't come from its price tag. It comes from the story it tells. A story about tradition, identity, and the unstoppable rise of a nation built with vision and determination. When older collectors look at this coin, they don't see something new. They see a bridge between the past they lived through and the future the world is witnessing. Collectors around the world are now searching for clean, well-preserved pieces of this exact year. Not because it is ancient, but because it represents a time of transition, a time when the UAE was stepping into global influence with even greater force. And when a coin becomes a marker of a defining moment, its value, historical, emotional, and financial, only grows. Now imagine this. Somewhere out there, a collector who has been searching for this exact coin for years might stumble upon your piece. Someone who is willing to pay a price that seems unbelievable. Because in the world of rare coin trading, when desire meets rarity, prices can climb to incredible heights. And that brings us to the part you've been waiting for. If a seller finds the right collector with the right interest and the right demand, the estimated value for this specific 1 Dirham coin could reach as high as $1.5 million. Yes, one single small coin in your pocket today could be worth a fortune tomorrow. So before you spend it, before you toss it aside, take a good look at your coins. Because history doesn't always hide in museums or ancient ruins. Sometimes it lies quietly in your drawer, waiting for the right moment to reveal its worth. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin history. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more hidden treasures, rare coins, and surprising values that people overlook every day, make sure you subscribe to Worth Old Coin Value. Your next life-changing discovery might be just one video away.